What's good? So today we got a video titled "Angry Woman Forces Pilot to Shut Down Plane After Sneaking on Airplane." I don't know how you sneak on an airplane, but this is by Unspoken Crime Murders. So let's get into the video.
On July 10th, 2022, the Spirit terminal at Miami International Airport had just boarded all the passengers for a flight headed to Detroit, Michigan. As all the passengers were seated, Spirit flight employees noticed a woman attempting to board the plane 45 minutes after the flight was ready for takeoff. When she was denied access, she took it upon herself to sneak onto the plane from outside, pushing past the flight attendants and jumping over passengers to get to her seat. The flight attendant immediately called her supervisor as the suspect stated that she would assault someone if they did not fly the plane. Officers were alerted as she threatened to force the captain to fly the plane.
I'm sorry. I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in.
Of course, it's Spirit Airlines. Of course. I'll tell you, Spirit Airlines got the most problems. You know why? Because they have the illusion that it's actually cheaper, when in reality, it's not that much cheaper than a regular ticket, because all the extra fees and stuff like that for bags, and you got to pay for your seat and all this other stuff. I don't know why people, that's why they got them problems that they got. Nothing but low class on there, man.
The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside? They stepped out already?
I was doing G14.
She's inside. She's inside?
She's inside the plane.
Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out.
Tell her to come outside. If she doesn't come out, then we are going to plane everybody. Okay. Right? That's the procedure.
Let the supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen, because it's just pass after warning.
And if not, we have to deplane everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
What's he? Huh?
Oh, thank you.
She's gonna go in front. Who's the person? She's gonna.
Way in the back on the left. Thank you.
Exit the plane. Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing. You went
I'm
through
not
the door.
trespassing. I have a
I just letting you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at that moment. At the moment, man. So
let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside
right now.
Yeah.
If you don't get out right now,
okay, hold on.
Let me get everybody out.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I pay for my ticket.
All right, let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
To talk about.
All right.
Going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay.
Okay.
You're up. All right.
I never did nothing. Like what? I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay. You're going to make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay.
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for a ticket. I paid for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to
be
deplane.
After me. It's people that got on the plane after me.
Then a deplane.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with her.
Everybody else.
They're going to pull charges against you for trespassing.
Yeah.
So can you
I mean, and guess what? I'm going to beat the case because I'm not trespassing.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to deplane everybody.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing.
And wait in the boarding area.
Obviously, I want to take like everybody else. Ask the lady on the flight.
Can I say something to you?
There's nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say now? Will you listen? Will you listen what
please, and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we have everybody. Okay, from here, we will do this as soon as possible. Correct?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay, and I apologize for the.
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast. Good.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're after the board.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her, because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the plane.
They're refusing you now.
Now after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So, no.
It's like the worst, man. It's like, okay, boom. Spirit Airlines, first red flag. Then we get there and we see who it is who's starting all the trauma. And it's like, why it gotta be one of us? What? Like, why? Like, this is, you're strong, independent woman. Like, yo, why? Like, this is insane, bro. Why, bro? Why it gotta be us, man? All the time, bro. All the time. Spirit, you listen, this is all going on because you decided to become late at the airport. This is on you. And now everybody gotta suffer the consequences because you want to be hard-headed. Oh, if I'm not going, then there's nobody going. Your ass going to jail. That's where you going. If they gotta deboard this plane, your ass is going to jail. I can bet you that. Hey, I bet you that you going to jail if they gotta deboard this plane, boy.
Everybody going. We all going home late. Oh well. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean? The fuck? That's dumb as f. They just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say? Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard. I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird. Y'all weird. But y'all mad because y'all really can't do anything besides make everybody get off and everybody get back on. That's it. You gotta wait till everybody get off. New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too. You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine.
All right.
Clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go and I will go behind you.
Go ahead.
You're not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's go.
I don't trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I give you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag.
Oh my goodness. You know who she looked like? She looked like Krishan Rock. If y'all know who that is or whatever, or Google it, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Like, she looked like Krishan Rock, like 100%. Ratchet, just come on. Like, hey, I like my guy in the gray though. My guy in the gray, he like, man, I ain't going nowhere, man. Forget this, dog. I'm chilling right here.
They're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me the videos so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. That's okay. You get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
And I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? It ain't all grabbing. Your rent. For what?
We're not gonna argue.
Can somebody report this?
you're going to jail.
But everybody else is not.
I'm not gonna cover it. We're gonna have to.
That hair don't even look real.
Relax. We're going to take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your property.
I'm relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he
Calm
grabbing
down.
me and I'm
Calm
relaxed?
down. Calm
Like
down.
I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as fuck though. It's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as fuck. I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No, my
I'll get
stuff
you.
needs
I'll
to
get
come.
you. I'll get you.
My stuff
What do you
needs
need?
to come.
She goes to jail for
Yeah. Once you refuse to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
Upstairs. 269 74 231. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. That drag, now they want to drag. 269 274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where that sit? The fuck? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
know why Miami in your life. Make sure y'all already went through security. Yeah, I know. No, that's illegal. I just went through TSA. Listen, stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 269. It's not even shit in my pocket.
She said they trying to beat me. Come on, man. Oh my. Ah, she is annoying, bruh. Loud, obnoxious. Like she's actually giving me a headache. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is the second video of the day. I'm getting a headache, like, of listening. Like, the headphones is just like her. She's loud. She's just like, I can't even record the rest of the videos right now. After, I'm gonna go for a walk. After this video drop, I'm gonna go for a walk. Go get me a cup of coffee. Go get some water. Come back, record the rest of the videos for the day. But gosh, she is annoying, bruh. I can't take it.
Miami police, y'all get sued. Still, y'all not gonna. Yeah. But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
Oh, they got body cameras on. You gonna see yourself on YouTube, sweetie. You definitely gonna see yourself on YouTube, sweetie.
105 372.
Ain't nobody say nothing.
This way.
You don't have to grab the fucking cuff.
Yes, I will grab this stuff. Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Where I'ma go with cuffs on?
You're under arrest.
The woman was arrested and faced a slew of charges, including disorderly conduct and destruction of aircraft. She was eventually sentenced to probation. She stated to the judge that she was wrong, but that the employees should have been nicer to her. Additionally, she had been arrested 2 years prior for something very similar, where she assaulted an employee at a fast food restaurant. I guess her fries were cold.
Did y'all see that mugshot? God damn. Yeah, come on. She need more than probation, dog. She just the crimes are gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. You know what I'm saying? It's just, yeah, she's a lost cause.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.